In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a multi-language website in Webflow. Creating a multilingual website can help you reach a broader audience and cater to users from different parts of the world who prefer to browse in their native language. It's a wonderful way to enhance user experience and potentially increase your website's engagement and reach. So, let's dive straight into how you can do this using Webflow. First things first, you'll want to open your existing Webflow project. If you don't already have a project set up, now's the time to get started by designing your initial site in your primary language. Once you're ready to add multiple languages, head over to the Settings section of your Webflow project. Here you'll find an option labeled Localization. It's in this section where you'll manage the various languages you'd like your website to support. After accessing localization, you will need to add the different languages you want to make available on your site. For instance, you might start with English, Spanish, and French, or any combination of languages that aligns with your target audience. To add these languages, simply input your desired options and make sure to double-check your selections to avoid any mistakes. The next step is critical: publishing your site with localization enabled. By enabling localization, you're ensuring that your site can cater to users in different languages. Webflow makes it relatively straightforward with dedicated settings for localization that you'll need to activate before moving on to the design stage. Once published, it's time to switch over to the designer mode. This is where you'll really tailor each language version of your site by translating various elements. Begin by switching to a specific locale, a feature Webflow provides to help you translate your page content. Here, you will work on translating what appears on each page, such as text blocks and headings. This ensures consistency and proper communication for each language setting on your website. For those using the CMS, which stands for Content Management System, translating this content is equally important. This might include things like blogs or portfolio items that are dynamically generated on your site. Ensuring that this content is translated helps maintain the integrity of your site across different languages. Don't forget about SEO titles and descriptions. These are vital for search engine optimization, enabling users who search in their languages to find your site more easily. In addition to SEO, update your open graph settings, which define how your pages are displayed, such as thumbnails or brief descriptions when shared on social platforms. Lastly, enhance the user experience further by adding a language switcher component. This feature allows visitors to easily switch between languages, usually seen as a small button or drop-down menu on your web page. The component should be intuitive and easy to locate, typically placed in the header or footer of your site. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to building a multilingual website using Webflow. With these steps, you're all set to offer a seamless multilingual experience to your users. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.